Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to activate and configure eSIM on Google Pixel. First thing first, on your Pixel phone, go to Settings, Network Internet, SIMs or Connections depending on your model. Now tap on SIM Manager, then this is where you'll manage your physical SIMs and eSIMs. To download your eSIM, just tap Download eSIM, then scan the QR code provided by your carrier. This will automatically download and activate your eSIM profile. Now, once the eSIM is installed, make sure data roaming is turned on to ensure proper connectivity, especially if you're traveling or using international eSIM. And that's it, your eSIM now active and ready to use on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tech guides and smartphone tutorials.